Hello viewers and subscribers. I'm back for my 8th review on after 8 weeks using the MiamiMD products. And I just want to say that I'm quite pleased with the results. And I had a viewer ask me a question. They asked me, would I have to continue to use the product? And I'm honestly going to say yes. I'm going to continue to use the MiamiMD products because they do work. I've been using this MiamiMD Age-Defying Lift and Firm Cream for 8 weeks now, and I must say that it does work. I used to have these deep indentations on each side of my lips at the beginning of before I used the product, and those have disappeared. Also I've been using the intensive eye repair serum in the morning when I wake up and before I go to bed, and the bags under my eyes, they're really going away. It used to be really bad under my eyes. So yes, I'll definitely continue to use the products. I like the results. I like the way that my skin feels. And with aging, basically things do change, and I didn't like what I was seeing, and that's my reason for using the product. I saw some reviews, and I saw nothing but good reviews on the product, so that's why I started using it. And I will continue to use the MiamiMD products. So this is my 8th week of using the products in the morning and the evening, and yes, I like the way that my skin looks now. And so this is my final review. I've been using the products for 8 weeks, like I said, and I'll continue to use the product. So thank you very much for going along on my journey. And I do have a playlist that shows at the first video before I started using the product, and for each week that I have used the product for 8 weeks, you can find the playlist. So in conclusion, I love the MiamiMD products. They do work. So until the next video, blessings, y'all.